we've been through a journey at this point, right from 18 months of his age when he was diagnosed. So it's been about 7 years now, and we kind of pretty much do the same thing even today, even with this, with a 7-year journey, to kind of go and scout for information, right? So there's not one place where the information is available. So you go look into forums, into blogs, things along those lines, try to get a perspective, and then having some kind of a parent-to-parent conversation is always something I've seen as the best avenue, because one who has already been through either, using an existing service, or one who's, already familiar with the service, when you actually meet parent-to-parent and talk, I think that is one of the best mediums to understand exactly what services are available, including this could be therapy services and even play groups and things along those lines. Parent-to-parent discussion is the best discussion, because that way you're able to share exactly what you've been through, and that information holds much more stronger than reading anything on a blog or a forum or anything of that kind. I think this is a great initiative.
The first thing is acceptance, I would say. From my personal experience, I was under denial for a couple of months when my son was diagnosed. So when the day I accepted and I opened up to the outside world, that's when I came to know about the resources. Like, I'm not alone here, and I came to know that there are other people who are going through the same thing, and I got help for my son, because until I opened up, until I accepted, I wasn't getting any help. Like, the more I opened up and talked to people, so they gave me, okay, these are the steps I did, maybe to help for your son. So the first thing I would say is accept your child for who he is, and that's all you need.